kind of trapped on the mountain. Got a tree down over here, tree down there. We're kind of stuck up here until we clear this stuff off. I know we got daylight, but I would wait.
You want the storm to stop, huh?
I would wait, man, because we're putting ourselves in danger right now. We can chop logs in the dark. Oh, that's the tree that fell down. So that water, that spillway of water that's running down there, you see that water running down there that's flooding all this driveway over here on these people? Well, it weakened that root. When that tree right there came down, this one came down. It just softened all those roots up. And we got tree up here on the porch. So we're gonna assess this here for a minute.
No, it's gonna be crazy getting out of here, I think. Alright, Krista, well, I'll try to keep you updated. 40, 50 mile an hour, maybe faster winds.
Yeah, you got 50, 60 mile per hour winds out here.
Alright, we need to get our